Hi everyone, it's Tanya Stacey from Cup of Cha, and today we're looking at yellow tea in our Introduction to Tea Education episodes. So yellow tea, I don't know if many of you have seen a lot of it out there, and there certainly isn't a lot around on the market. The demand for yellow tea isn't as high as it used to be, and so there's only a few farmers that actually still remember the technique of how to make yellow tea. But it is a very labour intensive tea, and so therefore demands quite a high price in the market. It is, however, a beautiful tea, and it goes through the same process as the green tea, except it has the extra process of where it's covered, and for this light oxidisation, the leaves go a slight yellowy look about it. The outcome, the flavour outcome of this process is a very light and delicate tea, and for me I get notes of hay, straw and a slight nuttiness as well, I have to say, in the tea, and there's no grassiness. All the grassiness of green tea has gone, and so if people have got a slightly more sensitive stomach, they're going to find they'll appreciate the yellow tea. However, because it is a lot more labour intensive and the process is at least another 2 days on the green tea itself, the price is higher. So today I've got 2 teas for us to look at, so let's have a look at them. So this is the first yellow buds that we'll look at, and this is from Ming Ding. You can see that the dry leaf is flattened and slightly yellow. So the process on this yellow tea is over 2 days. After the withering and the panning, the leaves are then wrapped in cloth or a paper, and then for several hours, and during that time they will open up the cloths or the paper and mix the leaves around. They pan fry it again, and then eventually they'll lay it flat, and it's all to slowly reduce the moisture. There's a slight oxidisation process, and all this process is done to encourage a very even oxidisation on that one. And this is the wet leaf here. You can see there that that's a very nice looking big bud. And the infusion, now I've put this on white paper so it can be seen, is a really nice, this was a cupping, so it's stronger than normal, and it's a really bright yellow, but normally it'd be a lighter yellow colour when you infuse it. And then this is the second yellow tea. As you can see, it's just that little bit darker, but this one has actually gone through the picking. There is a bud and 1 leaf on this one, so it is withered, then pan fried, and then so after the pan frying, while the leaves are still hot, it is delicately rolled and then wrapped in cloth, and then it's put on a bamboo tray, and then it is lightly heated over charcoal. And again, this is over a very long period for an even oxidisation. It is open, rested, and put back again as well. And this is the wet leaf. How good does that look? How even colouring is on those leaves. And again, I did the stronger infusion so you could see how yellow a colour that is. So an absolutely beautiful leaf, this one. And this is from the Zhejiang province. So from a historical point of view, yellow tea has been around probably about 400 or 500 years. And today it is only made by a few farmers, and because it's only made by a few farmers and it's got that extra labour involved in the processing, you're going to have a very high price on this tea. But what I would suggest to you is try some yellow tea, some authentic yellow tea. The traditional yellow tea, there are only a couple out there. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. Please give us a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.